Oh, there's Minnie Mouse. Hi, Minnie. I'm dressed as his goofy son, Max. Yeah. I know it. You can see I'm a girl version of Max. So my name is Maxine Goof. It's like I'm taking fathers out to the Disneyland, more like the father son. Oh, it's a video. I love your costume, by the way. It's so spectacular on you. Oh, the hug. And let's ready for the pose. Ready or not, here we come to pose. Thank you so much. Oh, and now the goodbye hug. Oh, double hug. I love double hugs. Love you so much, Minnie. Have a good Halloween and trick or treat.